YouTube, are you looking for a simple way to finally start making real money online, especially in this day and age? If so, stay with me. I got something super special for you in my review of Email Cash Funnel. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat, and that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, really, it's enough, okay? It's enough. Stop it. He's annoying as heck. I can't stand that guy. Can't stand him. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like the product, I'll give a tip. My hat's to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thanks, Liz. See, I've been watching 30 Rock again. I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe to me watching on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for the Email Cash Funnel. You can see a couple of screenshots here. This is from JVZoo, $1,600. Another from JVZoo for $2,200. Excuse me. This one over here is from Warrior Plus. And by the way, what I really love about this particular screenshot from Warrior Plus, and also from the JVZoo screenshots, a lot of people, what they do is that they'll show you what's called the Warrior Plus dashboard, where you can see like it has these eye-popping numbers, $10,000, $20,000. But if you actually look closely at the details, that actually also includes everything that they've made as a vendor, selling somebody else's, selling their own products and letting other people sell them. And the trouble is that at least half of that money typically goes to the affiliates. They don't actually make the money themselves. So yeah, the money's being funneled through them, but they're not really making it. This is legitimate money that's really being made because this is showing actual affiliate sales, which is what you're going to be learning about inside of the Email Cash Funnel is actually affiliate sales, as opposed to learning about the other stuff, vendor stuff, which frankly a lot of people who watch this channel aren't really all that interested in becoming a vendor.
What's the difference? Huh?
Well, the difference is that a vendor is somebody who creates the product, and an affiliate is somebody who sells it on behalf of somebody else. Anyway, so basically the story is like this. I'm going to show you inside the members area in just a minute, but I do want to tell you about my personal bonus. Now, here's the issue. Basically, what they're going to tell you to do is to go and grab some bonuses in order to be able to sell stuff. And it's a pretty cool course. It's well written, well put together. It's well designed. It's going to get you the results you want. Not going to be instant, but it's going to get you the results you want. But I'm going to give you two things that are going to really help you out a lot. First of all, I'm going to give you my personal bridge page and bonus page, which will help you a lot because it's completely free. Right now, if you go into the members area, of which I'm going to take a look in just a second, you're going to see inside the members area, it's going to tell you that you basically need to go and purchase a piece of software called Carta. Carta is basically, it's a page builder. It designs websites for you as paid. You don't have to use that. I'm going to give you something you can use for free. Won't cost you a penny to use it. I'm going to show you how to do it exactly. The other thing I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you some more PLR content that you can give away as a free bonus so that you'll have a leg up on all the competition. Let's go ahead and take a quick look in the members area. Oh, and by the way, there is this coupon $3 off, 3BUX off. That's going to get you $3 off if you attempt to exit the page at any point. It will show you this pop-up and let you see it, assuming that you have pop-ups enabled. If you don't happen to see it, just remember 3BUX off. It'll save you a couple of bucks. Anyhow, so here we are in the members area. Pretty clean, easy to follow members area. There's not a whole lot to see here. You can see here that they're telling you to download Carta, okay, and get a free trial. What I'm going to give you, you don't need Carta. You can get it without Carta for free, okay. And here you have they're going to tell you how to find the best offers inside of Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. And basically, what they're going to do is like this: they're going to take you step by step from the beginning to the end of how to actually set up your business so you can start making some money as an affiliate online. Okay, the other thing I'm going to give you, by the way, because I don't believe that they cover this, is I'm going to give you a link to my personal video on how to get approved for a lot of these products, because a lot of these things, they will not approve you, especially to these days. A lot of vendors, I'm a vendor myself on Warrior Plus and on JV Zoo. A lot of times we do not approve new people. And it's nothing personal. I know everybody has to start from somewhere. I started from zero myself. The trouble is that very often when we approve somebody who's new, they end up sending what's called junk traffic. They don't really know what they're doing, and they send a lot of people who really just send thousands of clicks, which don't make sales. And then our bigger vendors, our bigger affiliates rather, the people who actually would be able to drive significant amounts of traffic that would buy stuff, they stay away because they can see the overall numbers. The overall numbers are like, oh, he's making 50 cents per click. I can go somewhere else that's going to get me more money. So I'm going to show you a way of getting approved for these things. It's in one of my videos. I'm going to show you that video as well as part of my custom bonus. But it's basically a course. It's going to show you the basic stuff, and actually they have your Elementor, which is what I actually use. It's cool. Anyway, it's going to show you a basic course, setting everything up, how to get it all done so you can actually start making some real money with this thing. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give the tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Indeed, you rock. I love you guys. Okay, full disclosure, both Anthony and Mark are friends of mine. I've known them for a while. They're both good people. I don't know the third gentleman that they're partnering with, but if they're partnering with him, I am assuming that he's a good guy too. This is a good course, well worth the money. Go pick it up. You're going to love it.